गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया,
मंगल मूर्ति।
मोरया।
सद्गुरु श्री साईनाथ महाराज की जय। सीधे क्या खचाखच ट्रैफिक है ना। Good morning. I'm going to do today something I've been wanting to do for a really long time. I'm taking up a walking pilgrimage to the holy town of Shirdi. I stay in the city of Thane. I'm about to begin my walk from Thane towards Shirdi this morning. So today is 20th of January and I'm hoping to reach Shirdi by walk, which is going to be about a 220 kilometer walk in about 5 days time. So it's going to be one exhilarating experience. It's something which is very dear to my heart, something which I've been wanting to do out of devotion to Lord Sri Sai Baba. So wish me luck, pray for me. Let's all do this trip together, this pilgrimage together. Very good morning, and we are about to begin our pilgrimage to Shirdi. It's 6:45 in the morning. I'm hoping to do a 2-hour walk till the breakfast point. We will be waiting for lunch somewhere before Kalyan and finishing our today's walk at Wasind. So let's meet along the way. Sadguru Shri Sainath Maharaj ki Jai. The trip is going to begin with the 4 of us. That's Ajinkya, Vikas, Sibu and myself. We may be joined by a few others in a couple of days along the route. So we're going to begin today's trip just about this time now. So गणपति बाप्पा
मोरया,
मंगल मूर्ति।
मोरया।
Prayers in front of our Guru, Param Pujya Shri Swami Omkarananda Ji Maharaj. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, or this is the pilot car that's been coming with us. Ajinkya is driving this. We had a safe lunch. It was very important for us to look at the hygiene point of view, given the fact that we are surrounded in a pandemic. So we are about 26 to 27 kilometers from Thane, and we fell short by about 5 kilometers to the target. So we are expecting to make that up very soon and go a little beyond Wasind. Let's see whether we're able to achieve it or not. We had to take a break after around 1:30, 1:45 because it had really become very, very hot, and we were unable to proceed because of the heat and the overwhelming tiredness. So we took a break, sat in the vehicle for about 1.5 to 2 hours, regained back the energy lost. We are going to restart walking towards Wasind. We have a booking in this hotel called Nisarg Garden. So it's about 19 to 20 kilometers from here. So we'll restart now and hope to trudge ahead more convincingly. Sir.
बिल्कुल आगे ना आए नहीं।
अरे हम तो पक्का आए रहेंगे, हम हमेशा आते हैं, हर फुटवा में आए ही होंगे हम। So dates for energy, instant energy. I popped one, I'm popping one more. The vehicular movement in traffic is immense. The incidental dust that's affecting the air here is enormous. Roads are very muddy, dusty, and vehicular exhaust is not giving any respite to that. It's in fact adding to the woes. Can't help it. We'll have to do with it. At least this road is very, very, very busy. I haven't experienced even a single stretch, say of more than 3-4 minutes, or in fact even 2-3 minutes of non-vehicular existence. You have nearly bumper to bumper traffic stuff. Fast moving traffic though, no doubt, but it's enormous. And we are about 30 odd kilometers away from the city of Thane, and about 35 to 40 kilometers away from the city of Mumbai. Just imagine, tremendous. The development is stretched to such an outer part of these two cities that people movement, vehicle movement is immense. Not even a single moment of sobriety. Trust me, the sound of these vehicles is sending the head for a toss. Spinning, the head is spinning. आपका नाम क्या है? गणेश। गणेश, आप उड़ीसा से हैं? बहुत बढ़िया, थैंक यू। आप बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं और थैंक यू हम भूखों को खाना खिलाने के लिए। ठीक है, शिव सागर रेस्टोरेंट गाइस, दिस इज़ ऑन दी रोड टू नासिक। वंडरफुल प्लेस, आई कीप विजिटिंग दिस प्लेस वेरी ऑफन. Whenever I travel here, I make it a point to eat my snacks or food at this place. Excellent food, very good quality, very tasty food, and even in this pandemic, they are doing a great job of serving the travelers. Thank you, Ganesh. Point to note is that we are walking against the traffic. So when the vehicles are moving on the left of the road, for pedestrians, it's best to walk on the right of the road. So you have the oncoming traffic towards you, helps you in judgment and increases the safety quotient. That's all. So in fact, if you're walking on the left of the road, you have vehicles moving ahead from your back, right? You have vehicles coming from behind and going past you. Whereas if you're walking towards the oncoming traffic, you have complete visuals of the vehicles that are coming towards you. So it improves the safety. So this is a point one must note. This is a point one must keep in mind while doing any walking trips. Not a bad idea to make up for some lost space. Let's see if we can rake it up and walk fast enough to reach the hotel before 8:30. किया जा सकता है, और देखते हैं क्या है। हम सब में थोड़ा सा जलवा है, थोड़ा खाएंगे हलवा और उसके बाद दिखाएंगे जलवा. So it's going to be dark. Looks like we might have to rely on the torches in our mobile phones, in our smartphones, because we forgot taking the torch out of the car. Not a problem, we can still call Ajinkya and get that done, but it's a slip. ठीक है, देखिए ये एक सिग्नल और आती हुई गाड़ियाँ सीधे, क्या खचाखच ट्रैफिक है ना. कि वो जो एक सेक्शन हमने देखा ना कि जहाँ पे पूरा रोड खाली था, तो दैट वाज लाइक एन ओएसिस इन द डेजर्ट, यू नो. वो मिराज बोलते हैं ना जिसको. सो इट वाज लाइक अ मिराज, इट वाज अनरियल, इट फेल्ट लाइक समथिंग empty, but this is the truth of this road. See this. I want to show you how pitch dark it is. We have our torch with us now, but for most part of this journey, after around 7 o'clock, when it became really dark, we've been relying on the light coming from the oncoming traffic to light our path. So that's how it is. No street lighting. You have to rely on some artificial source of light to light up your path, so you walk without any hassles. This is how dark it is here now. See that on the right and here on the left. It's pitch dark. If vehicles wouldn't have been on the road, even at this hour, this place would have been absolutely pitch dark with absolutely no visibility. Namaste. Bye. So we have finally reached the destination. This is Nisarg Garden Resort in Vashind. So this is a hotel by the side of the highway. Fair amount of parking, shaded and well lit. That's our Vahan. Thank you Darshan Bhoir for loaning me your vehicle. A lovely hatchback Wagoner, brand new. And here we enter our space for the night. Nisarg Garden Resort. Thank you. आपलं नाव साहेब? मोरे ना? छान hotel आहे खूप मस्त. So we are going to stay in this place. We're going to be eating here. Quite a spacious restaurant. The AC dugout has people drinking, and I'm a teetotaler. I don't drink, nor do I smoke, nor do I consume tobacco. No intoxicants. So I'm going to be sitting here under the fan. हम जैसों के लिए इतना ही है. मम्मी की मम्मी याद आने लगी, नानी याद आने लगी, फट गई यार. अरे भाई साहब हमें सर्व कर रहे हैं. आपका शुभ नाम? विशाल. हाँ विशाल. आडनाव काय आपलं? मोरे. मोरे. वाह 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 वाह. थँक्यू विशाल भाऊ. मला काहीतरी कोल्ड ड्रिंक द्या ना हो. स्प्राइट करा. मिरिंडा आहे का? मिरिंडा द्या ना हो. और ये हमारे दो बंधु, सिबू टू द लेफ्ट एंड विकास टू द राइट. सिबू, विकास. Amazing walk, around 47 kilometers. Sitting on this couch is providing tremendous relief. Need something to rest the feet into, you need hot water to just dip the feet into so that the soreness could be kind of alleviated. But Ajinkya, who's driving the car, he is a national level coach in gymnastics, so he is going to do some fair bit of stretching for us so that we kind of cool down. The plan is to have a quick dinner, go to the room, take a bath, change, maybe wash some clothes if needed, and just crash onto the bed and sleep and allow the body to recover over a good night's sleep.
वो बोला कि सर नहीं हो पा रहा है.
A lovely spread.
एक मिनट.
Simple Punjabi food. Lovely. Thank you, gentlemen. I haven't been any more tired. It's so tiring. Practically dead. So no time to vlog, no energy to vlog. We'll give some details in the morning before we leave. I hope to recover a large part of my energy by then. See you tomorrow.